All right, so I'm here with Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown and have a couple of questions for him. So, Lieutenant Governor, what federal politician who's currently serving would you say is most ideologically the same with you?
Well, I'd have to say it's our president, Barack Obama. I mean, he shares the same values, believes that every American ought to have an opportunity to earn a living, raise a family, send their kids to school, be able to buy a house and put a little bit away for retirement. He believes that hard work should pay off and that responsibility should be rewarded, that we should all play by the same rules and have a fair shot at success. I admire President Obama since the first days I met him when we attended law school together at Harvard Law School.
And which presidential campaign throughout history, either failed or successful, would you say you've most modeled your career after?
Well, I don't really model my career after a campaign. I model my career after public servants who are committed to the people they serve. I think about Elijah Cummings representing inner city Baltimore as well as Howard County. I think about Mike Leggett, who has been a fantastic county executive in Howard in Montgomery County. I think about my partner in public service, Martin O'Malley, who is not only a great communicator, but he's an effective leader. And under his leadership, we've improved our schools to #1 in the country. We've reduced crime to historic lows, and we balanced the budget during 6 tough years of recovery and recession. So it's not really campaigns, it's governance, and we've got a lot of great examples in Maryland.
And so, let's see. Looking ahead a couple of years to 2014, if you are a candidate for office in that year, what would be your top 3 priority issues?
Well, certainly my top priority right now is to re-elect President Obama. My second priority is to continue governing effectively on behalf of the people of Maryland. But certainly I think that as we look beyond this year and we look to the future of Maryland, we need to ensure that we've got economic growth and job creation. And while the private sector may create the jobs, certainly there's a role in government to invest in education, to improve our healthcare system, to work directly for businesses or with businesses to create opportunities, and to invest in our infrastructure to make sure we have modern infrastructure to support growing communities throughout our state. So as we look to a brighter future in Maryland, we need to invest, improve, and modernize.
And what are the top 2 artists on your iPod?
The top 2 artists on my iPod continue to be Earth, Wind & Fire that have been on there forever, and Sade, a few love ballads, especially as I spend time with my new wife, Carmen.